So this is the second part. This is the first number 26. A 1 meter long door is opening. The tip moves away from the wall at 0.5 meter per second. How fast is the angle opening in radians per second when angle is pi over 3? So, since it is looking for the frequent, it is S equals R theta to theta equal S over R. Now, have given the 1 meter, so, and D 0.5. So, R equals 1, and D over dP equals 0.5. And our theta over dP is equal to 1 over R times ds over dt. So, d theta equals dp is equal to 0.5. Ato na siyang substitute over 1. Then, ang answer is 0.5 rad per seconds. Number 27. A 2 meter tall man walks away from a street light at 1.5 meter per second. The lamp is 6 meter tall. How fast is the tip of his shadow moving away when he is 4 meter away per meter from the pole? So, we should let x be the man's distance from the pole, while ang S kay mao to ang atong shadow length. And then ato na siya mosolve by similar triangles. So S over 2 is equal to x plus s over 6 to, so ang kanimay mo ano siyang 65 equals to x plus 5. Then after ana, may ano na siya, no, sorry, 6s rather. So 6x equals 2x plus 2s. So after ani, he will put siyang 4s and 2x, s equals x2. So human ani, we need to differentiate ds over dp equals 1/2 times dx over dt equals 1/2, then substitute the 1.5. So ang answer ni kay 0.75. So para makita ang iyang total speed ganyan, kay need na nato tong dx over dt plus ds over dt. So kato ganiha, ang answer kay 1.5, yung atong bag-o ron din na 0.75. So if i-add na, we have 2.25 meter per second. So muni ang answer kung kuan, how fast is the tip of his shadow moved away when he is 4 meter from the pole. My answer, 2.25 meter per second. Number 28. A square side is decreasing at 0.1 meter per second. How fast is the area decreases when the side is 8 meters? So we have the side side is equal to negative 0.1 meter per second, while the side is 8. Now we are looking for its area. So we're gonna use the formula of area with A equals S squared. So need na to siya i-derive as we should. So equals 2S. So ito natin siya in terms of D S over dt. So same ra ato na jud gyapon siyang i-substitute. So dA over dt equals 2 times 8 and kani negative 0.1, and here it is. Our answer is negative 1.6 meters squared per second. So this is the answer for number 28. Now, let's move on to number 29. Number 29. A sphere's volume is increasing at 100 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the radius increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter? So, have to find the given. So, d over dt is equal to 100 centimeter cube per second, while radius is 10, and now we're looking for its radius increasing. So we're gonna use the volume formula ordered by r cube. So derive over dt equals 4. Oh my gosh. 4. So diretso na lang r, then dr over dt. So after any kani 100 equals 4, 5, then square dr over dt, then 100 equals 400 pi dr over dt. So we're gonna divide both sides by 400 pi. 400 pi cancel, and now we have 0.0 centimeter per second. So this is atong answer, itong radius increasing, itong change of radius. Number 30. A height of a triangle is increasing at 2 cm per second, and the base 100 and the base is 10 cm constant. How fast is the area increasing when the height is 12 cm? So, okay. So, put na to ang mga given. So, dh over dt is equal to 2 cm per second. Height is 12. Base is 10. Now we are looking for its height. How fast? So, gonna use the area formula. A equals 1/2 base times height. Then derivation is equal to 1/2 dh over dt. Now equals 1/2 10 over times 2. So the answer is 10 centimeters squared per second. The answer for number 30. Now, 31. So, 31, the side of the cube is shrinking at 0.3 meter per second. At what rate is the volume decreasing when the side is 5 centimeter? So, Vs over dt equals negative 0.3 centimeter per second. And side is 5, have du over dt. So, we're gonna use the volume formula, S cubed. So, dv over dt is 3s squared. So, ds over dt. Now, dv over dt equals 3. So, I know here's 5 cubed. ds is 0.3. So, answer is negative 22.5 cm cubed per second. This is the answer for number 31. 32. The volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 27 centimeter cubed per second. How fast is the side length increasing when the side is 3 centimeter? So, du over dt is equals to 27 cm cubed per second, while its sides is in 3 centimeter. So now we're looking for the side length. So I'm gonna use the v plus s cube. So du over dv over dt. So 3s squared. Then dr over dt. So here we have 27 equals 3. Have s is 3. And ds over dt. And then after that, we're gonna 27 equals 27 ds over dt. And divide both sides by 27. Have this, have this 1. So the answer is 1 centimeter per second. So number 33. Number 33. A circular puddle is expanding so that its area increased at a rate of 10 meters squared per second. How fast is the radius increasing when the radius is 5 meters? So we have here the circular puddle, and then the area, which is 10 meters squared per second, and its radius of 5 meters. And we're looking for its change of radius. So I'm gonna use the area formula, pi r squared, and derive the formula, which is 2 pi r times dr over dt. So now we have to put 10 2 pi derecho 5 dr over dt, then have 10 here, 10 pi dr over dt, and then cancel both sides with 10 pi, then equals 1 pi meter per second, or 0.32 meter per second. The volume of a cube is increasing at a rate of 27 centimeter cube per second. Length increases when the side is 3 centimeters. So we have to put the given d over dt is equal to 27 cm cube per second, and its side 3 centimeter. And then we are looking for its change in on side. So since we're looking for it, I'm gonna use the volume, and then dv over dt equals 3s squared, so ds over dt. So here 27 and 3, what is rs? 3 squared ds over dt. 27 equals 27 ds over dt. Then divide both sides by 27. Then now we have over dt, we have now 1 cm per second. So this is the answer for number 34. Now let's move on to number 35. The radius of a circle is increasing at 0.25 meter per second. How fast is the area increasing when the radius is 4 centimeter? So dr over dt is equal to 0.2 centimeter per second, radius of 4, and the missing, which is the area. Now I'm going to use this formula, r squared, to derive it. So 2 pi r dr over dt. So dA over dt equals 2 pi 4 0.2. So the answer for this number is 5.03 cm squared per second. The answer for number 35 is 5.03 cm squared per second. So number 36, a rectangle is inscribed inside the circle. So y is equals to 12 minus x squared, and above the x-axis, what dimensions of a rectangle maximize? So, we have to draw, inscribe. So, its width is 2x, length is y equals 12 minus x squared. So, first we're gonna find sa length equals 12 minus x squared equals 12 minus 2 squared equals 8. Well, and the width is 2x, and then equals 2 equals 4 equals, then equals 12 minus x squared, 2x equals 24x minus 2x cubed. So A equals 24 minus 6x squared, and then 6x squared equals 24. So we have to divide 6. So cancel out. We have here 4 and x squared, and then we have to square root to cancel the square. So x is equals to 2. This is the answer. So number 37. A closed rectangular box with a square bar is to have a volume of 500 cubic centimeter. Find the dimension that minimize. So V is equal to x squared h, and h is equal to 500 over x squared. Now we're looking for the surface area. So x squared plus 4xh is equal to x squared plus 4x. So 500 over x squared. After ay x squared na pod plus kana ingon naman na siya gi-times, so ano na siyang 2,000 over x squared, then over x squared. So after ani ano po din siya 0 over equals to x minus 2,000 over x squared. Ito na siya yung tag-parenthesis. So, equals ano kay 2x cubed minus 2,000. So, happy pa yun. Para makancel out na sila, na sila 2 cancel. So, x cubed yung ano siyang 1,000 square root x equals 10 cm, h equals 5. So, ano ang answer? Number 39. So, a square field is expanding so that its area increases at 8 meters squared per second. How fast is the side length increases when the side is 10 meters? So, the square field. So, ito ang given na dA over dP is mo ang kanyang 8 meters squared. Kunya atong side is 10, and we are looking for its side length. So So, ito gamitan nga formula kay ang area. So, A equals S2. So, i-derive mo na. So, kung ano siyang 2S times ds over dt. So, So, 8 equals 10 ds over dt. So, yung na siyang 20, here ang 8 ds over dt gihapon. And after kanang ato siyang i-divide both side ng 20, cancel out, and then mahimo na siyang 0.4 meter per second. So, muna yung answer sa atong number 38. See? 0.4. So, now let's proceed na sa number 39. So, a rectangle has a fixed perimeter of 100 centimeter. What dimension will maximize its area? So, rectangle. So, first, atong pangitaon ng iyang area. So, ito ngayon butang na naman. So, length niya 50 minus width. So, A equals 50 W minus W. So, A equals 50 minus 2W equals 50 minus 2W, then 2W over 2, yeah, 50 na po, cancel, so, equals 25. So, sunod, ang perimeter na po, perimeter na to kay 2, so, di naman kaigo, wait lang. Basta atong W kay 25. So, perimeter na to ang kay 2 length plus 2 width. So, ano naman tayo 100. So, 2 length plus 2 width pa-divide sa 2, 2, 1. So, 50 equals 1 plus width, then 1 equals 50 minus W, then 1 equals 50 minus W, 25. Then after, atong length kay 25. So, same na sila. Length 25 with 25. So, from number 42. A closed cylinder has a surface area 600 centimeters squared. Find the dimension for maximum volume. So, atong naon kay ang iyang surface area. So, surface area kay 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. And after, naman tayo 600. Ato na nang i-substitute. So, 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. After that, ato na siyang ibutang sa parenthesis 600 minus 2 pi r squared over 2 pi r. So, karon, ito na siyang ikuan. So, pi r squared h. So, V equals pi r squared h. Yeah, 600 minus 2 pi r squared. Yeah, 2 pi r. After, ato na po ng AR, 600 minus 2 pi r squared over 2. So, since di naman makaigo, ako sa i-erase r for the 2. Sunod kay equals to 300r minus pi r squared cube, cube. Then, ato na siyang i-derive. So, the dv over dr is equal to 300 minus 3 pi r squared. Now, ato na siyang ibutang 0 minus 300 minus 3 pi r squared. Sunod, 3 pi r squared equals 300. Then, after ana, kay yan na makita ang radius na 100, 100, then square root mo na kay 10 na lang. So, h is equals to 600 minus 2 pi times 100. So, ana, over 2 pi with, so, h is 10, ang r kay 10 gapon. So, may ang answer 10 fourths. So, karon paan pa sa 43. Find the maximum area of rectangle with a perimeter of 36 centimeters. So, let x will be the length, and ang width nato kayo ang 18 minus x. So, ang area kay x, 18 minus x. So, yun na ni siyang 18x minus x squared. So, karon ato na ni siyang i-derive. So, dA over dx is equal to 18 minus 2x. Sunod, 0 equals 18 minus 2x. Karon ato na siyang i-cancel. Ikuan, isuwat equals 18. Then, ato nang i-divide both sides, cancel out. So, x is equals to 9. So, the maximum area x kay 18x, and then 9.9 is equal to 81 centimeter. Mani ang answer. So, number 44, a rectangle has an area of 100 square meter units. Find the dimension that minimize its perimeter. So, let the length will be the x, and the width will be the 100 over x. So, p is equals to 2x plus 2, 100 over x. So, is equals to 2x plus 200 over x. Now, p1 is equals to 2 minus 200 2x. Okay, so 0 equals 2 minus 200 over x squared. So, 2 minus 200 over x squared. So, after x squared is equals to 100, the square root equals 10. So this is the dimension. So 10 times 10. This is the answer. Now let's go to number 45. A rectangle has a perimeter of 40 units. Find the dimensions that gives maximum area. So same ganiha, let the length will be the x. So ako na lang idiretso. So the dA over dx is equals to 20 minus 2x. So 0 is equal to 20 minus 2x. So 2x over 2x equals 20. Divide both sides by 2. So x is equals to 10. And so mga to. Length is 10. Width is 10. So this is the answer for number 45. Number 40. A rectangle has a fixed perimeter of 20 cm. What is the maximum area? What is the maximum area? So, dA over dt is equal to 10x minus 2x. Well, 0 minus 10 equals 2x. So after ana, 2x equals 10. Then I'm gonna divide both sides. Then cancel out. X is equal to 5. So the max area is 25 cm squared. And now 41. So a closed cylinder has a fixed volume of 1000 centimeter cubed. Find the ratio of height to radius for minimum surface area. So we're gonna use the volume formula, which is the V equals pi r squared times height. So we have here the given 1000 volume, and then the height, which is 1000 over r squared. So A equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh, and then A equals 2 pi r squared plus 2000 r. So after that, na po na A. So 4 minus 2000 over r squared equals 0. So then r cubed equals 500 over 5. So ano naman na siyang 2r. So ang answer kay h over r is equal to 2. Number 46. Find the side of a cube with a volume of 64 cubic meter units that has a minimum surface area. So, same ganiha, let the side equals to x. So, ato na siyang ituan. So, aron sa surface area na ta, 6x squared is equals to 4 squared, kayo 96. So, Ang side na ay 4 and then na ay 96 square units. This is how you solve it. Number 47. A rectangle is inscribed under a parabola of y equals 9 minus x squared, while its base lying on x-axis. What are the dimensions of the rectangle with the maximum area? So, for example, and then our width is 2x, length is y equals 9 minus x squared. So, first, let's go sa here, sa area. I'm gonna pa sa so, area is equals to length equals 2x equals 9 minus x. So, imo na i-times kaya mo na siyang 18x minus 2x cubed. Then, ang iyang derivative kay 18 minus 6x squared. So, 0 equals 18 minus 16x squared. So, 6x squared equals 18. So, divide both sides by 6, x squared equals 3. So, cube root. So, now, kanang ada na po ta sa iyang width. At least, kahibaw na ta ang x is equals to square root of 3. So, width is equals to 2x. So, 2 times square root of 3 is equal to 3.46 units. While ang sa length kay 9 minus x squared, so equals 9 minus square root of 3 squared. So, ang answer ni 6 units. So, may ang answer sa width, may ang sa length. Okay. Number 48. A wing 80 meter long is bent to form a rectangle. Find the dimensions of the rectangle that maximize the area. So, rectangle daw. And then, ang atong unahon kay ang iyang area. So, area is equal to length times width is equal to 40 minus w and w, and then 40w minus w squared. So, the derivative is 40 minus 2w. After that, 0 plus 40 minus 2w, and then current 2w was 40. Divide both sides by 2, cancel, w is equals to 20 meter. So, now, ato to sa perimeter. W is 20. Now, sa perimeter, kay P equals 2, 1 plus W. So, 80 equals 2 plus 1 plus W. No way plus. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel. 40 equals length plus width. 1 equals 40 minus width. So 1 equals 40 minus 20. So 1 is 20. So, same ra. Length is 20, width is 20. The answer for number 48. So, 49. Find the rate of which the surface area of a sphere is changing when the radius is shrinking at 0.1 cm per second and the radius of 8 cm. So, we're gonna use the formula of area, which is 4 pi r squared. So, we have the dr over dt is equal to negative 0.1 centimeter per second and a radius of 8 centimeter. So, karon ito na siyang anaan. Derive na ito. dA over dt is equal to d over dt 4 pi r squared equals 8 pi r dr over dt. Karon ato na siyang i-substitute. dA over dt is equal to 8 pi 8 and negative 0.1. So, ang answer ani kay negative 6.4 pi cm squared per second. So, my answer sa number 49, negative 6.4 pi centimeter squared per second. So, karon sa last number 50. So, find the rate of at which the surface area of a cube is increasing with the side length of 4 cm per second and the side length is 14 centimeter. So, area is equal to 6s squared and s is equal to 14. So, dA over dt equals d over dt na 6s squared. Yung mahimo na niya siyang 12s ds dt. Sunod, dA, ato na siyang i-substitute. So, equals 12, 14, 4. So, 12 times 14 times 4, it is equal to 672 cm squared per second. So, mauna to sa thank you. I'm done. It's currently 2 a.m.